All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is HTML5. So HTML5 is the latest version of hypertext markup language. It is the structure of a web page with Web 2.0. So let me explain to you a little bit about what Web 2.0 is, okay, just so you understand. So Web 2.0 is an extension of the original web, okay, which was Web 1.0, which they didn't call it that. They just called it the web. The reason why they call it Web 2.0 is because they wanted to focus on the content and not so much the building of the site. So they've really simplified the elements that you use in HTML5 to be more programmer friendly. Okay. Now remember, when you're writing HTML, you're not programming. You're just writing markup language. So you're just writing the structure of a site. Okay. But they've written it in a way where the elements are easier for you to understand and easier for you to write. Okay. It's not as complicated, and it's not that HTML4 is more complicated than HTML5. That's not what I'm saying. But they've simplified it. Okay. So instead of having to write a div with a class in it, which I'll explain all this, you just write main. Okay. They also came out with the video tag and the audio tag because multimedia became a big thing on the web in 2007 when Apple came out with the iPhone. That's really when all this started. Okay, and they've been building towards this new standard ever since because they had to catch up with the times, with technology. Once you had a smartphone and you could watch videos on there, they needed to come up with a way to optimize that for mobile devices and then also for tablets as well. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.